Running like a candy, both ends dripping spills, loose ends burn, heads burning in. Bitches that use the stairs, leave your legs hurting. Running for the hills, I'm on their heels, keep their heads turned. Consider it a fair warning. Partner steady moving like it's feds on us. Probably cause you assuming that it's meds on us. Kick big shit, I need leg on my chug water. All love, blood is thicker than the dreads on us. And I remember that when I'm in my back. It ain't where you're from, it's where you at. Where them niggas at? Tryna toe tag, yeah, body bag, yeah. Karate chop this shit in half till they find my match. Till they find me laying dead on my back. This could be my last year. Putting up a fight until I collapse, yeah. 2013, I went wild for the night. In 2019, I'm getting out for like die.
Fast for the moment. Keep burning on both ends. I gotta get out for I die, out for I die, get out for I die. Black out in the morning. Too high, never cave in. I gotta get out for I die, get out for I die.
Blood is thicker than the dreads on it.
Don't start up for the bottom, go top for it, yeah. Lean like saliva, whole mouth full, yeah. Chasing for the clout, go all out for it. Till they pull up with this toasters like a housewarming, yeah. I just need my peace, please, like a Reese's. Buttercup, is you a pump or a power puff, huh? Toughen up, but my species, I'm the feces. They repeat, like my CC, just pop the CC. Now I'm on this song for me. Show me.